Hey guys, it's Noah here, and today I got my first Eureka the Boss 40 to fix, but it needs to be returned to the customer, so sadly I can't have it, apparently. So, yeah, she had this, so this was manufactured in around June 2009, because the brush motor said it was manufactured on June 21st, 2009. So I got my small shop vac, 1 gallon shop vac there, and the parts are drying right here. See, there's the filter cover, the hood, the dust cup, filter. Oh, that looks so clean. The separator, and it needs a new filter, so we're gonna have to do that. And as the telescopic self-cleaning duster, which extends up to, there we go, so you can get ceiling fans and stuff like that. So we're gonna extend it back down. So, and then once you're done, you just set it back in here. And then you flip this lever and all of the dust in here gets sucked into the vacuum cleaner. So it's a self-cleaning duster. And then here's this weird cyclone mechanism right here. Not to be confused, just not the average cyclone that's on a Dyson vacuum. Not the cyclone that's on a Dyson, you know. If you take a look at up inside there, you can see it is just fully, you probably can't see it. So the customer said that it was not, that it was smoking, burning smell or something. So I think it just needed a good cleaning. Look at the HEPA filter, it's nasty. I vacuumed it off with the shop back there. And I'm at my aunt's house in South Carolina. So I'm just, because the customer knew I was coming around this time, July 30th. I just came back from camp. I'm not feeling in a great mood today, but I really wanted to fix this. Here's a pet power paw, and it does not have the riser visor that was on my Whirlwind Plus, the red one I used to have. You probably remember that one. So, but anyways, also shout out to Vacuums and Carpet Cleaner guy. I think I remember that you have one, or if you still have it, you just comment down below. So anyways, here's the brush motor, the reset, look at how dusty that is, nasty. So that will need to be cleaned out. Take the hose off. It's a long hose. Yeah, just to get in the stairs. Let's put that back on. Make sure the hose's weight is on there. So the outside will need to be cleaned. So here's the power switch. So, and once I get it working, I'll show a video of it running. I will definitely show a video of it running upstairs in my aunt's bonus room upstairs. So, and anyways, I think that this does about it for the video. You just comment. These parts are currently driving. Sorry, I didn't mean to say drive. Sorry, I didn't mean to say driving. I meant to say drying. Like drying right now. Yeah. Oh, the canister looks so clean. I put these parts in my aunt's dishwasher, and they look very clean now. This is the same color as the Eureka Ultima, the red one. It looks so good. I cannot wait to see this in action. So this is a Arm & Hammer Pet Fresh 2 times the odor. Alright, so it's Eureka backless. Just like my green Eureka Optima. upright vacuum. It's Arm & Hammer odor illumination, pet brush 2 times the odor fighting power. Great for pets right there. It's a Boss 4D for dimension cleaning, wide track, 12 amp motor, reset, high carpet, the height adjustment, which is right there. And there's a tube of some, there's a tube of some sort. I think it has something to do with suction. So, anyways, that's about it for the video. Please stay tuned for the review of it